When there's snow and ice on the roads, there's usually slipping and sliding too. That's because your vehicle's tires just don't have enough traction on the road. This is a sign that your vehicle could use more weight. Adding salt or sandbags in the trunk of your vehicle increases the weight on the backside of your car. This helps with traction on ice and snow. Plus, the salt can be sprinkled around the tire, allowing the ice to melt. Thick rubber floor mats are a great way to keep your floors from getting messy in the winter. They're also a great way to get yourself out of a jam as well. If you're ever stuck in the snow, just take the floor mats out of your car and put them underneath your tires. This simple solution will help give you the traction you need to get you out of the stickiest or slickest situations.